Do you guys need some cleaning motivation today? I have around an hour or so to quickly go through my house and clean it. I'm probably not gonna end up getting to the upstairs. My boys have been gone today. I've really been trying to do projects and stuff, but the downstairs needs picked up. I got home late last night and things have just kind of stayed that way. And I figured I might as well just do a cleaning video since I haven't done one here. Now, keep in mind, if you're new, our house is not done yet. We are still in the process of kind of getting settled and trying to finish it. Things are not all in place yet. We don't have furniture and things like that. We have some, but anyway, there's a couple of spaces that are, you know, half decent. So anyway, my kitchen needs cleaned up. And I am just gonna take you guys with me and show you what it's looking like right now and then give you all a little bit of cleaning motivation. All right, so this is looking into our back den area, if you will. I've got a bunch of stuff kind of laying here that need to be dealt with. And the main thing also is the floors. Right now we don't have a lot of rugs and stuff, so it gets really dirty. So I'm gonna have to try and mop it if I have time, but there are little piles of stuff laying here and there. The boys' clothes from this morning, my rug that I need to roll out, which I'm super excited about. But yeah, the furniture is really hodgepodge right now because I need to finish it. So, all right, so that's how this looks. But yeah, I'm gonna need to focus on floors and probably some windows. Still got a few things on the table here. And then the kitchen is probably the worst. I need to empty the dishwasher. I have stuff sitting out. I've got stuff in the sink. And this is not really normal for me, but honestly, I decided to just leave it because I was gonna be filming anyway and I needed to do other stuff. So I've gotta clear this off, clean a little bit, and probably clean my fridge, the front at least. Got some stuff over there. Just random things that need to be picked up. So that's kind of what the downstairs is looking like right now. If you guys have any favorite oven cleaner that you like to use on your stovetop, let me know, because I have been used to cooking with gas, so I'm not familiar with products and what I should use on the top of the glass. So let me know if you have a favorite product. I'm using the Caldrea countertop spray. It's in the Rosewater Driftwood scent. I get a lot of my products from Grove Collaborative. So if you've not heard of them, make sure you go check them out. And I love how the Caldrea smells, and I always have a link down below if you are interested. They've always got freebie offers for new customers and also for existing customers. I really love their service. Best for stainless steel is Norwex rags. I don't know if you've heard of Norwex before, but I will have a link down below. Actually, I always have a link. My friend is a Norwex consultant, and basically you just use water and it has a lot of like fibers and stuff in here. Somehow it cleans it better than a lot of other stuff, and it's awesome. So if you ever want to go check them out, you can. This is actually the car cleaning mitt or cloth. I think it's called, what's it called? Yeah, this is the car cloth, but this one was given to me by a friend. She says she likes it better than the purple cloth that goes with this one. Normally there's like a thicker one where you use it to wash stuff, and then you have a one that's more damp dry to go over top of it. But she says that this is even better for windows and stuff. So I'm gonna be using this to clean my stainless steel and glass surfaces. I've gotten a lot of questions as to this microwave, and I did mention it in another couple videos probably, but it's like a half size. It's the Whirlpool brand. We got it at Lowe's, and yeah, it's super awesome if you're low on space but you don't want to have a microwave sitting on your counter. So we love it so far. In case you're wondering, we are getting a door for the pantry eventually. But yeah, the stainless steel really looks good with the Norwex. Everything just looks pretty spotless. decided to get a new mop after I moved into this house because I needed something bigger than my old Bona that I used to use in Ohio. So I am really loving the spin mop. I bought the O Cedar brand. I got it at Home Depot, but I'll go ahead and link it down below. I saw it on Amazon. I'm guessing it's similar price. So if you're interested in trying it, yeah, go ahead. I really like it. It does a very good job of cleaning, I think. And in case you saw me carrying my phone around and you see me talking, I'm not talking to myself. I was talking to Addie, actually. So yeah, I was trying to get work done and just chat with her a little while. So that's what I was doing. Done. I have to stop. My husband and I have to leave pretty soon. And actually, I ended up cleaning more like an hour and a half at least. So I got most of the downstairs done and that feels really good. So I hope you all had some motivation and you can get your house cleaned or whatever you need to do. So thank you all for watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.